Hello students, today we are discussing about Etard reaction. It is preparation of benzaldehyde. What is meant by Etard reaction? When toluene is reacted with chromyl chloride in presence of CCl4 or CS2 to form chromyl complex, and it undergoes hydrolysis in presence of an acid to form benzaldehyde. What is meant by toluene? Toluene means benzene having CH3. We call it as toluene or methyl benzene. It is reacted with chromyl chloride CrO2 Cl2 in presence of CS2 to form chromyl complex. These chromyl complex undergoes hydrolysis in presence of an acid to form benzaldehyde. Look at the mechanism between toluene and chromyl chloride. This is toluene, C, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. This toluene reacted with chromyl chloride. That means Cr, double bond O, Cl, Cl. One more complex, Cr, double bond O, Cl, Cl. In presence of CS2, what happens here? The bond between carbon and hydrogen undergoes homolytic fission. Carbon and hydrogen undergoes homolytic fission. Homolytic fission means each carbon and hydrogen having unpaired electron, and these chromium and oxygen undergoes homolytic fission, the bond breaking between oxygen and chromium. Here also oxygen, chromium, oxygen and chromium. Simply I am writing here toluene, carbon, this hydrogen I am writing here, and the carbon getting two unpaired electrons. One is from this hydrogen and another one is from this hydrogen, plus this chromyl complex also Cr, single bonded oxygen with unpaired electron, and chromium also unpaired electron, single bonded oxygen with unpaired electron, chromium also unpaired electron, Cl, Cl, and this chromium also Cr, single bonded oxygen unpaired electron, Cr, oxygen unpaired electron, Cl, Cl, CS2. Here the bond forming between this carbon and oxygen. Here the bond forming between this carbon and this oxygen. Okay. Toluene, carbon with hydrogen bonding with oxygen, Cr, Cl2O. Here the hydrogen comes bonding with this oxygen. Here the hydrogen comes with this oxygen. I am writing the hydrogen here. The oxygen bonding with this hydrogen. Here also these oxygen bonding with this carbon and these oxygen bonding with this hydrogen. Okay. Carbon bonding with oxygen, Cr, Cl2, this oxygen having hydrogen here. Next, look at the reaction between these complex. The bond breaking between oxygen and chromium. So these two electrons shift towards here, and oxygen getting negative charge and chromium getting positive charge. Oxygen getting negative charge and chromium getting positive charge. Here the bond breaking between carbon and oxygen. Here I am saying chromium oxygen. Here I am saying carbon and oxygen. So the bond shift towards here. Look at those. Toluene, carbon with hydrogen. When this bond comes here, oxygen getting negative charge, plus this Cr here and Cl2 there, OH, and here oxygen with negative charge and chromium here positive charge, Cr, Cl2 and OH. If these undergoes hydrolysis, that is H2O, it releases H plus and OH minus ions. The H plus comes here and the OH minus comes here, that is, and these negative charged oxygen bond shifted towards here and becomes double bonded between carbon and oxygen. Benzene, carbon with hydrogen, double bonded O, plus these OH shifted towards here, OH, Cr, Cl2, OH, and this hydrogen shift to this oxygen, OH, Cr, Cl2. These two are similar structures. Okay, these two are similar structure. Now this is benzaldehyde preparation from Etard reaction. I hope you understand. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.